What up? It's your boy B-Dub, back up in this bitch with another one. Hey, yo, check me out, man. So, I'm in here. I had a little delay. I had to wait for some shit. I had to send that other shop back and order a new one. I went down to Harbor Freight and just grabbed one from there and shit, man. When I first checked, they didn't really have shit. So, like, it had smaller ones and not the one I wanted. But now they did. Now I got it. And I saved 70 bucks. You know, I'm talking about. So, yeah. So, here's a little fuck-ass little... whatever the fuck that shit called. Shop vac, that's what it is. Niggas smoke too much, y'all. Y'all know what it is. But anyways, man, let me show y'all what I did, so, and what I still have to do. So, what I did was I vacuumed out everything. I had to start back here first. See the little algae in there because of these lights and shit I ain't had. I got all the hydroton balls. That was another delay. The thing I ordered for these balls wasn't enough, so I had 3 buckets unfilled. So, I had to, my grocery store out here didn't have none when I first checked, so I didn't think that they had any now, so I went to try to order some more, and my lady was like, man, just go to the grocery store. So I called them, and they had some in this time, which was grateful, you know. So now I got the buckets all filled up. I cleaned all these out. I mean, the basket's all filled. I got to clean out the buckets still. I vacuumed out all the water. It's just algae because these lights is coming on. I kept these lights coming on and shit still, well, just this one anyways, while I get in here, and algae grew because there was a lot of water, so you can see the line and shit. So I'm gonna come back in here, disinfect and clean all this out again, shop vac the water back out, and that's it, man. It's on all of those, you know. The water hose coming in from the window. Oh shit, there's a lot of shit I gotta clean up. So yeah, I gotta get the bottom of that still. You know what I'm saying? This hose right here that goes to the bathroom, bro, this shit came in handy. You know, because my shop vac, man, you know, I got to carry all that shit. That shit holds 14 gallons of water, so I have to carry all that. So, yeah, man. So, I drained as much of this out as I could. This doesn't get completely everything out, but the shop vac did the rest. So, I'm going to go in here, disinfect, clean out all that, add some more water, then drain that shit back out again, you know, and it's over. It's completely done after this. This right here, cleaned out, that's done. So yeah, man, that's what I gotta do. Oh shit, what the fuck? Oh shit. I accidentally unplugged the light from here and shit. Whatever the fuck, but anyways, man. But that's what's going on. So I'm gonna show y'all. I mean, I'm gonna let y'all know what's going on. I was waiting on some shit before I germinated those seeds, so I'm germinating those seeds tonight. So in like 3 days, by the next video, man, everything will be good, man. My bad. I had a couple of delays and shit, man. Plus I go to physical therapy. Got this damn lawsuit going on for this accident for my legs and shit. So I have to deal with the lawyers. I have to do all this shit. So work with the shop. I had to ship out a bunch of bags and shit. Shout out to everybody who's going to gotyoback.com, fucking with your boy B-Dub. I appreciate that. Link will be in the description below. So yeah, man, so that's what I gotta do. I just gotta finish this up. I've been buying fruit trees for my front yard, buying flowers for the front yard, redoing mulch, and I've been doing a lot of stuff, bro. Even though your boy on a bum leg, I still gotta live. I still gotta do all this. So yeah, that's what's up. And don't forget, man, go check out the link in the description for the Viparspectra Pro Series lights, man. Go and get that discount code, man, I got for y'all in the description, man. Shout out to y'all. Shout out to Viparspectra for fucking with your boy. You heard me. So yeah, man, go and get this. This is a dope light. I'm not even gonna front, bro. This is really a dope light. So go and get just that P4000 right here. That's 1400 diodes down there, dog. That's 1400 diodes, my dude. So like I say, man, fuck with your boy B-Dub, man. I'm trying to get it. I'm trying to do my thizzle. I'm all happy, man. My cousin got the penitentiary. So we bought the link. That's my nigga, man. God damn, I'm glad my bro out. So yeah, man. Yeah, all I gotta do is clean this out a little bit and it's over, man. It's over. I'm gonna put these hydroton baskets back in there so I don't get no more algae growing. So I'm about to do all this right now, man. My lady went to grab some food, so I'm about to probably grub in a minute and burn one, and then I will be back in here. Yeah, I'm gonna burn one, then come back in here. So Yeah, man, I got to finish cleaning up a little bit. I shot vac the floor up. Shot vac all that up back there, and still got that down there because, you know what I'm saying, it's a piece of tube. I'm going to get that, don't even trip. But yeah, man, just got to get all that up. Dropped a bunch of things moving around in here. Spilled a little bit of water because the fucking nozzle wasn't all the way on. I mean, the plug wasn't all the way on the shop vac, so I leaked a little water. It's up now, so shit. Your boy be going through it, you know what I'm saying? Limping around, hobbling around. Shit hurt. Shit hurt, man. My leg still hurts, dude. I get poppings, and even on my other leg, man, it is what it is, man. I don't take no drugs for that shit, man. It just is what it is, man. I'ma just deal with it, fam. I'm getting stronger. Physical therapy is helping your boy out a lot. I can do a little bit of squats. I can't squat down that much because I can't. That leg is super weak, and then it's still pain in there. So, I mean, that's an ACL, bro. Like, I don't know if y'all know about it. Plus a bone graft. They drilled my bone the fuck out, yo. Gave me some dead nigga bone in my shit. Damn, I'm supposed to write their family. I'm supposed to write their family, the donor family and shit from whoever died, and I got a piece of his bone in my knee. I'm supposed to write them. I didn't yet. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate it. Believe me. I appreciate it. Believe that. So, yeah, man. Oh, I'm out of battery. So, your boy got to get out of here. Shout out to everybody that's fucking with me. Hit them links in the description below. Fuck with your boy B-Dub. And I'm out this bitch. Peace.